Hi guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my graphic design channel. And today I'm going to show you how to draw palm tree in Adobe Illustrator. And if you're interested, please keep watching. Guys, at first I want to tell you, if you are a beginner in Adobe Illustrator, please start from that video. There you will find who is a graphic designer, where to start if you want to be a graphic designer, and the most important, you will find a free 30 days plan from me, where you will find 30 different tutorials with tasks to understand how to work in Adobe Illustrator and to start your graphic design career. You will find the link to that tutorial below this tutorial. And now let's draw 3D palm tree poster. Well guys, at first I'm going to make flat palm tree. After I will make 3D palm tree, and in the end I'm going to make poster with 3D palm tree. This is size of my workspace, and these are colors which I'm going to use in my tutorial. And if you want to take a closer look at my design and to download an original vector file with my colors and my design, you can do it on my Patreon page. And now let's start to draw. My workspace is ready and colors are already in the swatches panel. Let's take that brown color and rectangle tool, create rectangle 192 to 100. Okay, direct selection tool, select these 2 points, hold and drag to round corners, now these 2, and round a little. Curvature tool, select that point and move down. Okay guys, now hold Alt and make copy and take that color. You need to change colors every other one, make copies, and every next copy make a little smaller, like that. Select a line and a little rotate every shape. Okay, it's ready. Now green color, pen tool, and draw the first leaf of palm tree. Select that point around the corner. And now again pen tool and create the shape like that with pen tool. Okay, take that shape and rotate a little, and let's play a little with the shape. Add here the point a little up. Now with curvature tool, let's play with the shape, and let's take smooth tool to smooth a little the corner here, like that. Now around the corner here. Pen tool, and for example let's take that color to see shapes, and let's draw here the shape like that with pen tool. Make copies of that shape, select all
these shapes and make green, select all 4 shapes and pathfinder minus front. Okay, and do the same here. Okay, let's take that color to see the shape. Make copies. Okay, green color and pathfinder minus front. Okay, now let's make copies of that shape. Rotate it and reflect. Vertical. Okay. And just make palm tree. Move it down a little. Rotate. Put here. Now let's take that color and ellipse tool. Hold shift to make perfect circle. Make copies. Hold alt and make copy. And other color and one more copy and one more color. Okay, let's a little rotate the leaves like that. Move the palm tree here. Now we need to select those shapes and Ctrl G, group them. Okay, it's ready. Now open Windows, 3D and Materials. And now let's select that shape. Go to Object, Inflate, that icon. Here all the same. Now Materials. And here let's move sliders like this. Guys, you can play with sliders as you like. Here only your designer vision. And now let's change the color of the light here to yellow. Let it be so. Copy the color code. Ctrl C, Ctrl C. Okay, and now let's go to that leaf object, the same, inflate that icon, change here the position, and now let's play with the leaf like that. Inflate both sides here and rotate the leaf till you'd like it. It will be my vision, and you can rotate your leaves as you like. Okay, now go to Materials. Here play with options. Okay, and now go to lighting, change here the color to the yellow, paste the color code, and let's add here intensity, softness, and now let's add the shadows. Okay, you can play with the position of the shadow in the options. Like that. Let's rotate it a little in that place. Okay, and now let's do the same with other leaves. You can make to your 3D leaf my options, or you can play with options and make your own 3D leaf. Okay. And now do the same with other leaves. Okay, it's ready. Now let's add inflate here. Now let's change here little options. You can move here as well the position of your 3D icon. Let's delete these icons, make copies of that 3D coconut, and let's change colors. Bring these coconuts to front, and now we need to add shadows. Let's play here with intensity. And let's play shadow. Let's add shadows. Okay, now let's add background. Let's take green color and rectangle tool and send background to back. Now yellow color, ellipse tool, hold shift, draw the circle and send the circle and background to back. Okay, let's fix here a little. And now let's add shadow below the palm tree. Let's take here black and white gradient, ellipse tool, create the ellipse, radial gradient, switch the gradient from black to white, gradient tool, squeeze a little the gradient and opacity multiply, and send to back. Put here, squeeze a little and make it longer, put here, now make it longer like that, copy and paste, make it smaller, okay. Now let's add shadow to every leaf. Play with rotation, height, intensity, till you'd like the result. Okay, now select palm tree, and object expand appearance. Now you can move your palm tree and you can change the size of your palm tree and don't think about proportions. Now we need to create new file, new, and let's create the poster size A4, 210 to 287 millimeters. Now let's copy the palm tree and paste it here, make it smaller. Okay, now let's make the background with the whole green color. Okay, now let's select palm tree and the sun. Let's make it a little bigger, like that. And now let's add the text. Here the size 200, and let's write summer. Okay, now let's select the font. You will find the font below this tutorial. Okay, now let's change here the size to 180. Let's make it smaller, 165 or 150. Okay, let's bring the palm tree to front, move the text here. Let's change here the size to 180 or 70, and here the 120. Let's move the summer here, and let's take white color. Now let's write here on the beach with that font as well. You will find that font below this tutorial. The size here is 60. The size of the font 60. White color. Let's make it a little smaller, maybe better 50. As you like. It's only my vision. You can add your own vision. Now let's find here the next font. That one. The size will be maybe 25 or better 15. Okay, let's write Saturday, July 15th. Okay, now the next one, at Herceg Novi. It's my city. The size here 15. 13 better. The next one, DJ Elena, DJ Alex. That font, the size will be maybe, let it be 50. Okay, let's copy at Herceg Novi and the size 15, and let's write free drinks, ticket $15. Let's make one more copy and let's write your website here, www.website.com. Okay, now select the whole text here, create outlines, align. Let's take white color and just move a little, make that text a little smaller. Move this a little down, this a little up. Okay. Select all text here. Make it smaller. Group, Ctrl G, and put here. Now let's make the whole design a little smaller, like that. And here create outlines and create outlines on the beach. Well guys, our 3D poster with palm tree is ready.
Well guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos in graphic design or in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator. Bye bye guys. Mwah. Bye.